Samsung is preparing to shake up the flagship smartphone market once again with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And if the latest leaks are to be believed, this could be the most exciting Ultra release in years. From massive camera upgrades to a bold design, revival, the S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse of innovation. Camera Island makes a comeback. One of the most talked about changes is the return of the Camera Island design, last seen on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. In recent years, Samsung moved towards individual protruding rings around each lens. But now, to accommodate larger camera sensors, the brand is bringing back the unified camera bump. This isn't just a nostalgic design choice, it's a strategic move. A camera island allows for better internal organization and more space for advanced imaging hardware, all while keeping the phone's profile slim and sleek. Why bigger sensors matter? According to a Korean report from Newsies, both Samsung and Apple are planning to use larger camera sensors in their upcoming flagships. Bigger sensors mean better light capture, improved dynamic range, and sharper details, especially in low light conditions. Samsung has been using the 200 megapixel HP2 ISO sensor since the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but competitors like Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo have surged ahead with 1-inch type sensors that deliver stunning image quality. These phones, however, come with bulky camera modules that protrude significantly. To bridge the gap, Samsung is rumored to stick with the 200 megapixel sensor, but upgrade to a wider f1.4 aperture, allowing significantly more light to enter the lens. This change could dramatically improve night photography and overall image clarity. Telephoto lens gets a major boost. Another exciting upgrade is the transformation of the 10 megapixel T3x telephoto lens into a 50 megapixel shooter. This leap in resolution promises crisper zoom shots and better detail retention, especially in portrait and macro photography. Interestingly, the 5x periscope telephoto and ultra-wide lenses are not expected to receive major upgrades, but the overall camera system will still see a significant performance boost thanks to the new sensor layout and aperture improvements. Slimmer design, smarter engineering. Samsung's decision to return to the Camera Island layout isn't just about aesthetics. It's a smart compromise. As the company aims to make the S26 Ultra slimmer and more ergonomic, the Camera Island provides a way to house larger sensors without making the phone bulky. This design shift could also help with thermal management, battery optimization, and internal component arrangement, making the S26 Ultra not just a photography beast, but also a well-balanced flagship. What this means for users, for tech enthusiasts, and mobile photographers, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be a game changer. With enhanced imaging capabilities, a refined design, and cutting-edge hardware, Samsung is clearly aiming to reclaim its top spot in the premium smartphone segment. Whether you're upgrading from an older Galaxy device or switching from another brand, the S26 Ultra promises a flagship experience that blends power, style, and innovation.